Sure, here's a long-form YouTube article, script style, about the 2026 Toyota Innova Crysta in black, designed for a review or feature video. Intro, scenic visuals of the car driving on different terrains. Voiceover, bold, refined, legendary. The Toyota Innova Crysta has been a household name in India for over a decade, and now, it's back in 2026 with a refreshed identity that blends power, comfort, and unmistakable style. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Innova Crysta, finished in a stunning deep black. Get ready, because this isn't just a facelift, it's a statement. Exterior, panning shots of the car's design, close-ups of lights, grille, wheels. Voiceover, let's talk design. The 2026 Crysta carries forward its bold and muscular stance but gets sharper lines and sleeker detailing. The black paint job, absolutely mesmerizing. Under sunlight, it has a rich metallic shine, and under city lights, it oozes sophistication. The redesigned grille with chrome accents, the new LED DRLs, and those aggressive-looking headlamps give the front fascia a commanding presence on the road. On the sides, the sculpted bodywork flows smoothly, and the 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels complement the car's premium character. Around the back, the new tail lamp cluster with smoked elements perfectly matches the black exterior, giving the rear a sportier vibe. Interior, inside view, touchscreen, seats, space, ambient lighting. Voiceover, step inside, and you'll notice how Toyota has taken comfort to the next level. The black and beige dual-tone interior feels plush and welcoming. Soft touch materials on the dash, leatherette upholstery, ambient lighting, and a premium 10.1-inch infotainment system make it feel more like a luxury lounge on wheels than a family MPV. The Crysta still offers its signature spaciousness, ample legroom in all three rows, flexible seat configurations, and clever storage spaces throughout. Whether you're in the driver's seat or relaxing in the third row, there's no compromise on comfort. Performance, driving footage, engine, road scenes. Voiceover. Under the hood, the 2026 Innova Crysta continues with its trusted 2.4-liter diesel engine, now updated to meet the latest BS6 Phase 2 norms. It delivers smooth power delivery with refined NVH levels, making every drive peaceful yet confident. You can choose between a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic gearbox, both tuned for better efficiency and comfort. Suspension-wise, Toyota has worked on ride quality even further. Whether you're tackling potholes or cruising on the highway, the Crysta remains composed and planted. Features and safety, infotainment, camera, safety tech. Voiceover. In terms of tech, the new Crysta doesn't disappoint. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree camera, connected car tech, voice commands, and an upgraded JBL sound system. For safety, Toyota has equipped the Crysta with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill assist, vehicle stability control, and rear parking sensors. Toyota's reputation for reliability just got even more secure. Pricing and variants, on-screen specs, price range. Voiceover. The 2026 Toyota Innova Crysta is available in multiple variants, with prices starting from around 20 lakh rupees and going up to 27 lakh rupees for the fully loaded automatic. The black color is available across most variants and looks particularly stunning on the top trims. Outro. Closing visuals, family driving away, city night shots. Voiceover. In a world of SUVs and crossovers, the Innova Crysta remains true to its identity, reliable, comfortable, and ready for anything. The 2026 version takes everything we loved and makes it better, bolder, and undeniably classier, especially in this black shade. What do you think about the new Crysta? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content, only on Motor Mania Hub. Would you like a thumbnail design concept or social media caption ideas for this video too?